Mayong Pasko Tagbalay, Christmas 2020. Pog now bye. Oh, it's so cold. But we're layered up. We're gonna go for a 4-mile hike. Guys, our contest starts very, very soon. The instructions, you need to like, you need to subscribe, and please watch my video, the first 10 words I learned in Bisaya for our entry. Guys, Merry Christmas and God bless you, and have a great day. Yeah, guys, it's probably about 12 degrees out. The stream is starting to freeze just a little bit. We're just here walking along the trail. You can see there's a railroad track in the background. The stream just kind of flows through along the trail. What's that? We'll just kind of make our way down the trail here. Let's see. Wow, don't fall in. That'd be a wild video.
Welcome to our morning walk.
Yeah, almost a morning bath maybe. In the super, super cold. Alright. Alright. And then
No.
we're back on the trail again. See you guys a little later. Guys, this is the back part of the trail. Just a little gravel pathway. It's just out in the field today on a nice cool winter day. It's really beautiful out here. The air is crisp and clean. Super nice day. Not too much wind. There's Mahal way up ahead. Alright. I better stop it here and see if I can catch up. Talk to you guys later. You're out here along the way. You'll have to look close, but you can see them. They, the last weekend, they kind of cleared the deer out a little bit so they wouldn't be overpopulated. But these guys are right out here by the trail. And they look really good. They look really healthy. There in the distance, a bigger one, and they're moving on out a little bit. All right, anyway, it's good to see some deer along the way. Oh, looks like Mahal hit the road again. I've got to catch up. See you guys. Hey guys, it's time for another giveaway contest. The mechanics to enter the contest, the first thing you need to do is like our Facebook page. The second thing is to subscribe and like our YouTube channel. The third and final step. Guys, look up a video called The Top 10 Bisaya Words That I've Learned. Message those 10 words to our Facebook page. But remember guys, important step here, do a screenshot that you've liked and subscribed to the channel. Guys, whenever you've done these 3 steps, it gives you 3 numbers and 3 opportunities to win in our giveaways. Guys, good luck. It's going to be fun. Guys,
The raffle drawing will be January 10th. First prize, second consolation prize. Good luck, guys.